Hello friends, this is Vijay Prakash. I'm a Senior Vice President, Vasavi Group. Today we are participating in Treda Property Show and we are the diamond sponsors over here. And we have one of the biggest stalls here at Treda Property Show. Today being the first day, the response is good. We expect the response to be improved tomorrow and day after tomorrow. We have projects in different locations of Hyderabad. Here we have displayed close to 12 projects spread across Hyderabad. Among these 12 projects, there are 2 projects which we are going to launch very shortly. One is Atlantis. This is one of the tallest towers in Hyderabad. We already got the approvals including the RERA, and this particular project would be 45 floors. This is located at Narsingi, adjacent to Outer Ring Road, very close to Financial District and Gachibowli Junction. In this, we have 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments. We even have the Sky Villas. Apart from this, we also launching a project by name Skyla, that is very close to Hightex Exhibition Center at Hightex. This project would be launching next 3 to 4 months. We are in the process of getting the approvals for this project. This is going to be ultra premium project of Vasavi Group. Here the sizes start from 2200 square feet onwards and it goes to as high as 3600. So these are going to be a premium apartments of Vasavi Group. Apart from that, we also have various other projects spread across city. Precisely, we have a project at Gachibowli Junction by name Sky City. This is a commercial project. Top floors are office space and the ground floors are retail space. This is one of the best investment property for the NRIs and both the residents of India. Apart from that, we also have a project at Financial District near to Wipro Junction by name Waterfront. This also again, you have office space and also the residential which is under planning. The office space we already selling it. This is very close to all the leading IT companies. It is right in the hub of Financial District. And apart from that, we have various residential and plotting projects. To be very precise, we have a project by name Lake City, which is close to Gachibowli Junction at Hafizpet. This is the premium apartment, the gated community apartment, spread in 17 acres. This is precisely meant for the IT segment and the NRI segment. Here we have again 2, 3, 4 BHK apartments. The project is already under progress and we will be handing over the project in 2023. Apart from that, we also have a project by name Urban, Vasavi Urban at Bachapalli. This project, though it is affordable prices and we are giving the premium specifications and the facilities in this project. Here the 2 BHK flat would cost you just 42 lakhs, which includes your amenities and car parking. Apart from that, we also have a plotting project at Shamirpet by name Green Leaf. This is a project which is specially meant for the people who wanted to live in the greenery, in the calm space, and this would carry the theme of a villa plotting. We also have a project by name Solitaire Heights at Amirpet. This project almost it is completed. Almost completed. We would be handing over the project in next 4 to 5 months. Here very few 3 BHK apartments are available. We also have a project at LB Nagar by name Srinilayam. This project again is nearing for completion. We will be handing over this project in next month. Here we have about 700 plus units in almost 11 acres. Apart from that, we are also launching couple of new projects at LB Nagar, at Musapet, at Gopanpalli and various other places. So far, the market is very good in Hyderabad or across Hyderabad. We have sold the highest number of units. Not alone we, but most of the developer has sold highest number of units. So this shows there's a positive trend in the market, and lots of buyers who are waiting all these years during the pandemic wanted to invest. They are coming out slowly, and they started investing. In this property show, Treda property show, we are offering 1 kg silver. Whoever is booking the unit from today within 30 days, and the customer who is walking in and registering with us and perform the booking next 30 days, we will be offering them 1 kg silver. And we have 2 offices in Hyderabad. One is at our head office is at Banjara Hills. We have a marketing office which is located at Kaveri Hills. Thank you.